The grim toll on Jamaica's roads continues to climb. This month alone, 40 people have lost their lives in motor vehicle crashes, and 7 months into 2025, over 200 road deaths have been recorded. Ramada Lyons reports.
Road safety remains a concern locally, and accidents have become so frequent. Some roadways are marked by motorists as crash hotspots. Spur Tree in Manchester, the Ocho Rios Main Road in the vicinity of the Duns River attraction, the North-South Highway in St. Anne and the Runaway Bay Main Road, the Nelson Mandela Highway in St. Andrew, and the Carey Park and Salt Marsh Main Roads in Trelawney, to name a few. But officials say the roads aren't the problem. Instead, road usage. The statistics reflect a grim reality. 30 days into July, 40 people have died in motor vehicle crashes, and since the start of the year, 229 people have been killed in 198 fatal crashes. Now fatalities have increased by 3% and fatal crashes increased by 2% when compared to a similar period last year. And more men are falling victim. Males account for 83%, while females account for 17% of fatalities since the start of 2025. Motorcyclists account for 61 fatalities, private motor vehicle drivers 46, pedestrians 41, private motor vehicle passengers 41. St. Catherine has the highest number of fatalities, accounting for 15%. Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucian Jones, reflected on the data as of June 2025.
Of the big categories, those road users who are dying mostly on our roads: the pedal cyclists, the motorcyclists, the pedestrians, the private motor car drivers and passengers. Only one group, the motorcyclists, has shown some decline year to date. All the others are either equal or have increased during 2025.
The leading cause of traffic crashes for 2024 to 2025 include proceeding at excessive speed, failing to keep to the near side or proper traffic lane, and overtaking improperly on offside. Dr. Jones also raised concern about road usage during the summer.
We are entering the summer period when lots of children are going to be on the road, and therefore drivers of cars and motorcyclists, and also those who are walking on our roads, have to be aware that you're going to have a lot of children on holidays going all over the place.
The motor vehicle death toll for July marks the 10th time since 2010 that Jamaica has recorded 40 or more road fatalities in a single month. 365 road fatalities were recorded in 2024. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.